Good afternoon guys and welcome to today's job. Today's job is a surface clean and a rinse. We have this block paving here to clean today. Have a little walk around. You can see it's been neglected for some time. There's lots of big weeds going through. We've got some growth, some lichen, some black spots. Little walk through, you can see some spots are really bad. Little pan round, you can see there's weeds growing everywhere. So we've been called in to give it a surface clean, give it a rinse, remove the weeds, give it a freshen up, get it looking nice and clean. If you walk around, you can see a few dips in the paving. One last look at the before. Let's not delay. Let's get started. Right guys, this is this job now complete. A quick pack away, a look at the before. As you can see, we walk around, it looks loads better, much cleaner, much fresher. All the weeds are removed, most of the growths have been removed. Could have done with the treat, but even with just the surface clean and rinse, it's brought it up really nice. A lot of the colour just come back through. Walk around, you can see the dips I was talking about earlier. The puddling is once that dried out, it'll look really nice, really clean. The customer's very happy. You can see all the colours coming through again. Much better, much nicer. Little before and after comparison. As you can see from there, loads better. As always, if you need our details, give us a call. Our details are here. Click the links to see some more videos. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you at the next job.